Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, friends. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, make sure to check the pick a card readings for September, and the Hindi Urdu versions of the horoscope readings are done on the other channel, Magic Vens Tarot Hindi Urdu. Link is in the timestamps, friends. So let us see, Sagittarius, how your month of September will be. Let's see now. Sagittarius, how the theme of the month for Sagittarius. Ooh, High Priestess, comparison, and what else? Theme of the month for Sagittarius. Wow. So, celebrations. So, wow, Three of Cups. So, this is a month of celebrations, fun, laughter, joy, happiness coming your way. Also, this is a month your creativity will be very high, Sagittarius. This is a month of your intuition getting better, your spirit, you understanding about the spiritual laws of the world, spiritual, the higher purpose of something. You will definitely gonna be connected with that. You're really connected with the source this month. You're really connected with the higher energies. Your intuition is extremely sharp, and yes, celebrations are coming. Some of you may become extremely successful at your business because intuition plays a very your intuition will be guiding you, and you will be very, very successful. Also, Sagittarius, this is the month, whatever you were waiting for, that you're gonna achieve. Like, you were waiting for a job, yes, you will achieve it. You were waiting for some lover, they will call you. So whatever you were waiting for, that's gonna happen in a much, much happy and beautiful way for you. So congratulations, Sagittarius. Comparisons, wow. Yeah, I do feel you are a little sad about something, Sagittarius. Like, there is certain sadness in you right now. Like, why certain things didn't happen, why they left you, why this person did, ghosted you, blocked you, what is happening there. I do feel there is a person who is thinking about you, who is missing you. I also feel that you might be feeling like life could have been better, but there are certain things missing from your life, certain comforts. You could have had those things, like you could be a millionaire, but you are not right now. But September will bring you joy. It will bring you happiness. It will tell you where you exactly need to be, what you need to do. So the cosmic compass is guiding you, friends. You are being really guided this month, Sagittarius, and it's a beautiful month for you. You feel very connected to Mother Earth, to your mother. Your mother is very important. Whether if you are a female and you are yourself a mother, this is a very, very important month for you. You will feel very connected to your children. Even if you are a man, you will feel very connected to your mother, mother-in-laws, the goddess energy, the mother of the earth, the mother of the universe, the cosmic mother, that you will feel very connected with, and very supported also by the goddess energy. That's beautiful. Oh, wow, that's a lot of galactic messages have started to come in the readings. Did you notice that? I keep getting some very galactic messages. I don't know how to even explain it to you, or to I really don't know. I think for those they are coming, they will understand it, right? That's all I can say right now. More will be coming, friends, in the future. More such galactic things will happen. So that's our future. Let's see what will happen in the love life for Sagittarius. 7 of Cups, confusion, 8 of oh my god. Okay, I will take it because a lot of cards have fallen out. I can't take them all. It's like a deck has fallen out completely. Sagittarius, wow. They're gonna fall out only. 5 of Wands, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Sagittarius, See, the moon is here again. You have the moon. You are very connected to the moon energy, friends. You have a lot of, it's a beautiful month for you, friends. Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, angels, can you give us few cards? Thank you. All right. So Sagittarius, this is definitely a month of cosmic connection, cosmic love for you, friends. Definitely you start the month of Sagittarius, September, feeling a little confused, feeling like you don't know where you are going in your love life, or your partner is feeling a little confused, like they don't know what is happening. Even if you are married, there are certain confusions happening in your love life in the first week of September. But the key to this week is taking it slow, not rushing through it, not believing the fear energy, or not, there are certain illusions that will happen in the first week. Like things are not good, but it's an illusion. So be very careful of what you believe in the first week, like, especially the negative things, like, this person is lying. It may be an illusion, maybe they are honest. So take it slow, friends. In the first week, you should take your love life slowly. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person are important for you. And I do feel that there might be differences in your heart and mind. Your heart might be saying one thing, Sagittarius, or your mind might be saying another thing. You could also be dealing with a fire sign, friends. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in the month of September. So there is a difference of opinion, a contrast between what you want and what your partner wants, and that is what is leading to a confused energy in the first week. So take it slow. Don't try and make instant decisions. That will not work, Sagittarius. Also try to take one day at a time. Don't force things. Don't try to pressurize things. And I do feel that your person really wants to work on this marriage, this relationship, but there are certain confusions happening between you and them. So give it some time. Let us see the second week, Sagittarius. The second week is really amazing. Moon emotions are really high. You will feel very, very much connected to your partner, to your lover. If you are single, this month you will definitely, absolutely connect with your twin flame. If you don't know your twin flame, they are coming. And yes, even you will feel very connected. Even though there may be no messages from the side of your person, you will still feel constantly their name, their energy, what they are doing, what they are thinking. Your partner will also feel the same way. Yes, patience is really making a virtue in your love life, Sagittarius. Things are definitely working out. If there is a chance, some of you might suddenly discover that you are pregnant in the second week of September. Also, whatever you want to achieve in your love life, it's coming true. It's coming for you, friends. Just give it some time, and a new start in your love life is gonna happen, Sagittarius. Your lover might propose to meet you. They might propose a move in, or they might get a better job or a better idea to make this relationship work. If there were third parties, they might leave them and come towards you. I also feel that there is the energy of childbirth. So some of you may be getting childbirth, family expansion, that energy is there. Or you could be dealing with a person who is a single parent, or they were married before, right? So it's a good week, friends. The second week is really good. You will feel very, very much connected with your partner. Let's see the third week. I feel the third week is, again, you guys are really emotional with each other. You can feel each other's energy. There is a lot of emotional connection. There is a lot of tuning in, intuitive telepathy between you and your lover. But, things will be moving very fast in your love life, and you may feel like things are going a little too fast. This person I just met them, and they already know everything about me. I know everything about them. This is going a little too fast. So you will try to slow things down a little bit in the third week, Sagittarius. because you feel like things are moving a little too fast or they are a little too emotional, so you want to make them a little practical. So that is the energy in the third week. Let's see the final week. Oh my god. Again, you're definitely. The final week is again a very, very, spiritual love kind of a week. Soulmate connection. Yes, your soulmate. I do feel you will be dealing with two lovers, friends. Someone is coming from the past also, and you have a current new person or a current partner also. So, in the final week, somebody from the past is coming, and you will have choices in love. Also, in the final week, Sagittarius, there is a choice to choose love over fear. And this choice also belongs to your partner, also, that they will be choosing love instead of fear. Ace of Swords, yes, a commitment is coming. For some of you, there is commitment. Your partner might commit, you might get married, you might get moved in, you might do some court marriages or something like that in the final week of September. I also feel some breakthrough, some sudden things will happen. You will not be you may not be expecting those things, but they will happen. Some sudden developments may happen. Also, if your partner is in no contact, friends, for 10% of you, I'm sorry to say, but in the final week, you may discover this person is getting married to somebody else. But I do feel you will also have another choice in love. So there is a choice in love for you, and keep your mind open. Listen to your intuition. So let us see your advice in love. Let's see then your work and career, Sagittarius. Ooh, power. Yes, see, you're very powerful, friends, Sagittarius. You're very powerful in your love life, and it is up to you how you use this power. When to be gentle, when to be kind, when to be firm, and when to be a tiger. It's up to you. And yes, how you communicate will definitely matter in your love life, because if you are, you can be a lion or you can be a cat. I would suggest you to be a cat because they are more loving, cuddly, and quite a boss of our lives. So be a cat. And patience, yes. Be patient, friends. Everything is working out, even though you may feel certain times things are at a standstill, but things are working out. Please have a little patience, Sagittarius. I know they are impulsive people, but you must keep your patience, Sagittarius. Let us see your work and career now. Oh, material and spiritual prosperity, victory and success, obstacles and challenges. Fulfillment of your wishes, so celebrations. Wow, some of you could be actually relocating this month, or you could be traveling or shifting some other country, some other city. There is definitely travel involved. You could be traveling for work, traveling to give an exam, to give an interview. Some of you could actually be shifting, relocating because you got a new job, or because you got that abroad position and you are finally going. You got selected in that abroad college in another country and you are going. Yoo-hoo! And yes, there are celebrations coming in your work, career, and finances. Even in studies, there is a lot of celebratory mode. I do feel you will be clearing your exams, getting good grades. Whatever you will do, friends, in the month of September, you will definitely achieve good grades. You will be, achieving some good results. I also feel that yes, your success will be very high. You are working very, very hard since a long time, Sagittarius, and this is the month of success. This is the month you win. This is the month of legal victories. This is a month of some of you turning your lifetime dreams into realities, like you becoming a doctor, a lawyer, getting that college degree, or getting that award, that recognition in your work. And not just that, friends, this month money is also coming your way. A lot of money is coming your way, but more than money, you find pleasure from your work, spiritual pleasure, emotional pleasure. And yes, there will be certain obstacles in your work and career and even studies, like some delays will happen. But I do feel, Sagittarius, you should keep an open mind. You should not be discouraged. because this is not a big gap, you know, this is not a big delay. This is like minor delays will happen in your wishes or in your work or in your studies. If you keep moving ahead or if you jump, you will definitely be able to achieve your goals. So this is a great month for you work wise. Yes, and let me know where you are traveling, where you are shifting, where you're relocating, because we do global readings, so don't worry. If you are moving anywhere, we can still do your readings. So let's see some advice, Sagittarius. Learning experience. Oh my god. No. Oh wow. I don't know what you asked, but the answer is definitely no. Maybe you asked, is it time to quit on a dream? Nope. No, it is not a time to quit. Will you not clear your exam? No, you will clear your exams. That is the question. Learning experience. Yeah, life is a learning experience. You know, Sagittarius, the advice for you this month is, if life is like a game, you may not always score a century, but if you listen to your intuition this month, you will definitely score a century. You may miss some things, you may lose some things, or there will be a delay, but eventually you will be winning, Sagittarius. So listen to your intuition and take life as a learning experience. Certain denials or certain rejections are actually divine protection for you, and you must remember that. Take charge in action, and you must use your intuition when to act and when to let it go. Yeah, you must use your intuition, Sagittarius. This looks like a Cancer reading, or maybe this doesn't look like even a Sagittarius reading, because I'm like telling you again and again to listen to your intuition. December, yeah. You could be born in December, or December you might be making this move. So if you are planning to move, or set what do you say, travel, or relocate, it might happen in December. It's just close by, not very far away. Again, see, moon, I was telling you, it seems like a Cancer reading. Yes, changes are happening, your moods are swinging. Guaranteed success is coming. Hard work ahead. Yes, you're gonna be busy, of course. February is also important. Somebody could be born in February or December. Great passion. Yeah, your passion is high. Wind chimes, peace and harmony is coming. Unicorn, again, use your intuition, friends. Please, Sagittarius, listen to your intuition. Whew. Depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. I think doing yoga, meditation, or some kind of a peaceful activity will be actually very, very good for you, Sagittarius. So try and do that. Slow and steady wins the race. Pineapple, a reconciliation. Someone from the past is coming back, I told you. And they are your spiritual soulmate, your past life lover. You share a past life connection with them. Seek information that will help you. Yeah, some of you will be learning something new, like spirituality, connecting with tarot, astrology, all these kind of things. Sun, happiness is coming. November, so some of you may have your birthdays in November, or somebody born in November is important. Shield, yeah, you need to protect yourself. And March, so March is also important, friends. So that's it for now, Sagittarius. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.